Call me when you get this. I've been thinking a little recklessly, checking off a hit list, acting like I'm headless. I don't wanna let this be, and I've been running endlessly, and this got it by my jealousy. Is that my dreams are turning on me? I'm my worst enemy. This may be the end of me. I got so many personalities. Jim Carrey, will you marry me? Jim Carrey, will you marry me? Marry me, yeah. Goodbye, my worthless ego. Without you, I'm finally free. Oh, goodbye, my worthless ego. Without you, I'm finally free. Oh, never thought I'd say this, but everything I thought was me.
Baby, put your hands on me. Ooh. Ooh. You got that bomb, baby. She was the girl next door, that's my fine ass neighbor. Told her if she wants some sugar, baby, don't be a stranger. And she said, when I need something sweet, I'll be coming over to you. That girl was knocking in the middle of the night, wearing nothing but a robe that she took off inside. And she said, boy, I'm getting cold, here's what I need you to do. Baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. Right now, you're the only one I need. So baby, put your hands on me, both hands on me. When we dance, put your hands all over me.
Been such a long time since I've been lucky. Don't have to be shy, say how bad you want me. Come and touch me tenderly. So come and give me that body heat. I want your body heat on me. I can barely sleep. I'm trying to turn up the degrees with you all over me.
So baby, put your